We just purchased a product for our camper that we are absolutely in love. This window shade combination to add to our camper door is a game changer for us. It gives us the visibility to look outside to see who's standing at our door. It provides a shade that can be open and closed from the inside of the camper. It was super easy to install, and the company was great to work with. We needed a different control arm, and they are sending that right to us. So if you want to know more about this product, keep watching. Okay, so today we are going to add a new window into our camper here.
And why do we want a new window?
Well, this window, can you shut it? This window is kind of frosted and it's hard to see out. Actually, you can't see out. And then we also want a blind on it. We want to be able to open it and see if somebody's standing at our door and that kind of stuff. So join us as we replace this window. Here we go. We're unboxing the box.
This is the blind portion of the window. It slides back and forth and is completely closed at times and sort of half open the other times.
That is going to be the new glass.
It's clear, not frosted. That. I don't want to break the window just in case. Yeah, it's got a waterproof edge. Okay?
You have the waterproof edge?
It's supposed to come with it.
Okay, so that seemed pretty easy. We took it right off. We've got to clean up this waterproof edging stuff, so we're gonna do that. And then I think it came with new stuff. We'll put that on, put a window in. How fast? This may be the fastest project ever.
Look, sticky. What are you doing?
What else the sticky stuff? We had to have something else.
Scrape. You need a scraper.
I think we need a scraper. It's like we are now adding on the goopy gump.
The waterproof sealant.
Excuse me, the waterproof sealant.
It goes right into the groove.
Okay, here's another box of it. I'm fixing to do this side. Okay, time for the glass.
Can you hold it there at the bottom? Make sure it doesn't come off.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay. Can you hold this in with the other side?
I'm holding it.
Keep holding.
So a nice clear window, so when someone knocks on your camper door, you can see through it. However, we do want it to have privacy, so the next step will be to put the shade on it. So here is the blinds, and I don't know if any of you have ever had a camper, but one of the things we have issue with is the screen is always like this. So there is a special magic thing we hope is going to work to open and shut the blinds.
I think they're the one that's the furthest one over.
So, as you can tell, we got it in and it worked, but we can't really reach. Like, it's difficult. But at the time we didn't know, but it shows that they do sell a max, a 10-inch it looks like. We must have the default 5-inch. So we may call them and order the 10-inch one, because it would bring it down further. We just have to measure, make sure it didn't get all the way. Okay, so this is the inside of the camper. It's dark. There is a little light. It's not as dark as a blackout shade. However, this is going to be very convenient if someone knocks on the door. You can just open it and see. But again, this handle is, we're gonna need the 10-inch handle. Closed. And open. So even with it open, you would really have to look in there to see. I know it's got a glare. Very nice. I'm very impressed with the product. We just need the 10-inch handle.
Hey John, my name's Jonathan Mize. I just installed your window on our camper door with the built-in shade, and I think I need a different length control lever.
Okay, let me pull your account up. Hold on, please.
You got it.
So Johnny's currently on the phone with the company that we bought this from, and it says that you can swap out your levers there. So we're gonna get us a longer lever so it fit our camper better.
All right, and what length handle do you need?
The 9-inch.
I'm going to send this to Johnny Mize. Oh, thank you very much. We appreciate the comment. You have a great day. Thank you.
You too. Bye.
Okay, so what exactly did we order? How much was it? And where did we get it? After doing lots of research, we found this company, Zarcor, online. This is our sales receipt. We did purchase this ourselves. You can see a list of all the stuff. It does say it came with the 5-inch control lever. And then here is the total price we paid for the window at $177. And then here is the website that we found, and we just came upon this by just simply searching. It looks like they have other products. We're going to click on the RV product here, and right here is our window that we purchased. So you can see that it fit our Class C there. And then I also noticed that they have like patriotic shutters. How cool would that be? But anyway, so this is the company. I'll put a link to this website in our description there. And good luck if you decide to order one for yourself.